Hey everyone, welcome back to Lab Talk English, where we help MLT and paramedical students improve their medical English. So आज के लेसन में हम लेबोरेटरी इक्विपमेंट वोकेबलरी सीखने वाले हैं जिसके अंदर यू विल गोना लर्न द करेक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन, द मीनिंग, द यूज ऑफ ईच इंस्ट्रूमेंट एंड एग्जाम्पल sentences which is used in hospitals and laboratories. So let's begin. Equipment number 1, microscope. Microscope. Repeat after me. Microscope. A microscope is used to observe very small objects such as cells, bacteria, fungi, and parasites. For example, the blood smear was examined under the microscope. Second equipment is centrifuge. Centrifuge. Repeat after me. Centrifuge. The centrifuge separates blood into plasma, serum, and blood cells by spinning samples at high speed. For example, the blood sample was centrifuged for 10 minutes. Equipment number 3, test tube. Test tube. Repeat after me. Test tube. A test tube is used to collect, mix, and heat small amounts of liquids during laboratory procedures. For example, collect the blood sample in test tube. Equipment number 4, beaker. Beaker. Repeat after me. Beaker. A beaker is used to hold, mix, and heat liquids. For example, pour the solution into the beaker. Equipment number 5, pipette. Repeat after me. Pipette. A pipette transfers a measured amount of liquid accurately. For example, transfer 5 milliliters using pipette. Equipment number 6, micropipette. Micropipette. Repeat after me. Micropipette. A micropipette is used for transferring very small volumes of liquid, usually measured in microliters. For example, use micropipette to add 100 microliters. Equipment number 7, petri dish. Petri dish. Repeat after me. Petri dish. A petri dish is used to grow bacteria and fungi on culture media. For example, the bacteria were cultured in a petri dish. Equipment number 8, glass slide. Glass slide. Glass slide. A glass slide is used to prepare specimens for microscopic examination. Equipment number 9, autoclave. Autoclave. Repeat after me. Autoclave. An autoclave sterilizes laboratory equipment using high pressure steam. For example, the instruments were sterilized in the autoclave. Equipment number 7, incubator. Incubator. Repeat after me. Incubator. An incubator maintains the correct temperature for growing microorganisms. For example, the culture plates were kept inside the incubator. Equipment number 11, spectrophotometer. Spectrophotometer. Repeat after me. Spectrophotometer. A spectrophotometer measures how much light a sample absorbs, helping determine the concentrations of substances. For example, the glucose level was measured using a spectrometer. Equipment number 12, blood collection tube. Blood collection tube. Repeat after me. Blood collection tube. Blood collection tubes are used to collect blood samples for laboratory testing. For example, choose the correct blood collection tube for the requested test. So, अब टाइम है एक छोटी सी क्विज का. So, let's start. Question number 1. Which instrument is used to separate blood components? A. Microscope. B. Centrifuge. C. Beaker. Answer is centrifuge. Question number 2. Which instruments is used to observe microorganisms? The answer is microscope. Question number 3. Which instrument sterilizes laboratory equipment? Answer is autoclave. Excellent. Today you have learned 12 important laboratory instruments with their pronunciation, meaning, and uses. So, अगले lesson में we'll learn the stipple department's vocabulary. So thank you for watching and stay tuned and keep learning और subscribe करना मत भूलना.